Hi friends, if you like my channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and hit the bell icon for quick and easy idli making. Following are the ingredients. I'm using baking soda, oil or ghee, you can say. I've got water, rice flour, yogurt, cumin seed, black mustard seeds, chili powder, salt, curry leaves and semolina. That's why I'm showing the packet. I've added all the dry ingredients here and some dal with little bit of dal flour, and I'm gonna leave the mixture like this for at least 30 minutes until it's nice and ready, just like the pancake batter. I'm going to grease my idli pan with ghee. I like the smell of ghee and also the taste. You can see the idli paste or the batter is ready now. I'm going to add water to my rice cooker so that I can steam my idli, and idli cooks within 4 to 5 minutes. The trays are nicely greased. Now I'm going to place the mixture in the tray. I've got extra water and now I'm gonna steam them. You can see the first lot of idli has been cooked nicely, and look at the way I positioned the tray. My idlis are thin as I have small trays, and you can see the dal grains also. Please place the idli tray and allow that the steam can go through from each layer. Notice the way I have placed the tray. It's a very good dish for breakfast or snack. You can fry them and it goes well with coconut chutney. For coconut chutney, I'm using shredded coconut, cilantro, some onion, chilies and garlic, and I'm gonna blend them. Here's coconut chutney.